It's Cupcake Sophia, and today we're going to be opening some blind bags. Okay, so we have a few blind bags here, and Toasty Bob's here to help us, but he's gone inside for now. We have a Shopkins car, and it has a 50 puzzle. We got a Playmobil. These are all the figures you can get. We have a Mash'ems, My Little Pony Mash'ems. Oops, sorry. We have a Shopkins Season 5 blind bag. It includes one Shopkin and one Petkins backpack and 2 pack of Petkins. So let's start with the Mash'ems because I've been wanting to get this really bad. So move this to the side. I've been wanting to get this for a long time now. So let's use our handy dandy scissors for this. I've seen people open this before, and I've really wanted this, but I couldn't get it, so yeah. Here it is. So that's here. Oh, we got Spike! Oh my god, he's so squishy and cute! Aw, that's cute though. Oh, and by the way, this is the series that has, I wanted to get a pony, but Spike is still cute, so he's gonna sit back there. This is the paper. And put him on here. So now we're gonna open the Playmobil. I've been wanting this as well. So, this is what we got, but we're going to look at the checklist first. I'm going to move the camera to the kind of position. So this is the checklist. So we can get all of these cool figures. And, no, I forgot to tell you, I want the banana really bad, but when you get the banana, we got, let's see, this guy right here. And PS Toy Review, by the way, if you don't watch their videos, you should totally watch them because they're really cool. But, so, yeah, Paul really wanted this figure. But let me build this, and I will show you what it looked like after. Okay, so this is how he looks, and this is his bow, but I'm not sure how you put it on. And then there's this part, and it's the 2 arrows, but I'm not sure, like, what it's used for. I'm sorry my camera's not that well, like, not blurry. Okay, it's just blurry. So now, we're gonna open the Shopkins Season 5. So it's here, strip right here. And Petkins backpack. It's a puppy dog. I'm not sure if you can get the kitty one in here. And here's the checklist. I like that it comes with the checklist, so you know who you're gonna get. So I'm just going to open the checklist and just put it, I'm just going to put it right there. Let's see who we got. Oh, and by the way, for some people, you don't know how to open the Shopkins, Petkins backpacks. You just squish them on the side, and then they just pop open. So that's our Petkins. Put it right next to him. And let's see who we get in here. My handy dandy scissors here. Oh, I forgot about this checklist, so I'm just going to put it over here. We got, lawnmower or something like that. Let me find it. It should be in the garden category. It's Lana Mower. Okay, that's cute. Here she is right here. I've got this one before. It's a double for me, but it's okay. She's still cute. Put it right there. Put Petkins backpack. And so now the next thing we're going to be opening is we're going to keep the same kind of thing like Shopkins. So we're going to open this up. And if you didn't know, I love Shopkins a lot. So yeah. I don't know, people say the Petkins backpacks are hard to open, but I think it's because they don't know how to like squish it open. Because Cookie Swirl, I watch her videos. You should totally watch her videos. They're awesome. But yeah, she And now I know how to like open them. Just squish them on the sides and close them up. Let me just put these together. So let me squish this open and put it right here. Close it up. There. Can't see the kitty. There. Now let's open our 2 blind bags. Which one should we open first? This one. Okay, let's open this one. Hold on, let me use my handy dandy scissors. I got, oh my gosh, I've been wanting this. This is Snorky. Oh my gosh, I don't have him. Oh my gosh, I have been wanting him for so long. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I keep saying, oh my gosh. Why do I keep saying, oh my gosh? You know, I'm going to put lawnmower up here. You know, it doesn't matter. Let me just put this down here, put this down here. And I'm pretty good with the names, so hopefully I know this one, and it's not a double for me. Oh my gosh, it's not! Oh my gosh, this is so cute! Okay, I have no idea what category this could be from. I don't have no idea what it is. It looks weird, but it's still cute, and it's not a double for me, so I'll be right back with its name. Oh, and by the way, Snorky is a common, I think. I'll be right back on that. Okay, so I'm back with their names. This one's Snorky, and it is a common. This one is Lana Mower, and she is a rare. Awesome. And then this one is, drum roll, please. Okay, anyways. She is a rare also. That's good. Ollie, and her name is Ollie Orange Cake. I had no idea her name was Ollie Orange Cake, but her name is Ollie Orange Cake. So now, let me open this up. My video is getting kind of long, so let me hurry up with this. Cut it here. And it's a puzzle. And it's a little basket at the same time. Like, it has a puzzle in it. And I'm not sure. Oh, and I think it includes a Shopkin. I don't really remember. Because I watched Cookie Square open, I think, 3 colors of these. There's purple, the pink one, which I have here, and the, and a blue one. My gosh, these are kind of hard to open. Oh, okay. Oh, it does have a blind bag inside. See, this is a little shopping cart, so I'm just going to put it right over here. Let me move this. And it has like a little blind bag inside, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so these are the puzzle pieces, and this is the blind bag. This one feels kind of small, so let's see what it is. Oh my gosh, I almost cut the Shopkin. This is Sneaky Wedge! Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Is this an eraser? Why does it feel like an eraser? Maybe it is an eraser, I don't know, but yeah, so this is Sneaky Wedge, and this is from a whole different season. And I'm so excited because I think she or he is from season 2. So that's awesome. Maybe we could just put him right there. And he looks like an eraser. Like, look at him. He feels so like eraser type of thing. But I'll get back on you on the puzzle. Alright, so I'm sorry for all that bag noise back there, but my family's watching a movie and eating popcorn and stuff. But you know, just not talk about it. Anyways, so this is what the puzzle looks like. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna show you a close-up look since it's like facing down, but it has Strawberry Kiss, has the little like Shopkins sign right there. It has the little telephone. It has the little hat. It has Sneaky Wedge. Lippy Lips, Cookie, Strawberry Kiss, Taco Terry. It has, what's her name? I know her name, I just forgot, but it's a little sundae from season 1, season 2, yeah. This is Cupcake Chic. This is Apple Blossom, Poppy Corn, and Delish Donut. So, yeah. And it has team, and then on the bottom it says Shopkins. So it says Team Shopkins, and then it has like a little Shopkins logo right there. It has a bunch of designs in the background, and it has 50 pieces, and I actually thought it was going to be like really bigger, but here's a close-up. Real close-up. real close-up. Close-up. No, I'm just saying. But yeah. So this is all of it. It was really fun to build, and it didn't take that long. It probably took like 30 or 20 something minutes, but it was easy. So yeah, but that's all for my video. These are all the toys I got. Again, I really think this is an eraser. I mean, let me feel the other Shopkin. Yeah, this feels different than the other Shopkin. I'm gonna try it out. Hold up. Okay, so again, this is the puzzle, but I'm gonna move this to the side for now. Move my scissors. Put this right over here. This is Princess Table. I know it's kind of babyish, but sorry for the door, but it creaks sometimes. But yeah, I got it because I was small and I don't have any other table to work on. So, well, I do, but they're too small. This is big enough. So I'm just gonna draw a heart. Just a plain old heart, and see if it erases. And if it is eraser, I'm not gonna use it though. Let me put this here. Let me try to hold this. I'm sorry, you might hear like some money noises because I'm using my piggy bank. Okay, I'm using my piggy bank to lean against. So this is my. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. But it actually does erase a little bit. Look at, like, it erased a little bit of this part. Let me see. Ugh. It's hard doing it with one hand. You know what? Let me just do a close-up. Okay, sorry. Too close, too close. Okay, but see? It's like, this is way too close. Okay, that's good. But when I erase it, it's like, it comes out a little bit. Like, some of it came out. And then look at the bottom. It gets like dirty a little bit. You can see that. A little dirty right here. But even if it is eraser, I think it is, but I'm gonna just call it a real Shopkin. Maybe it's just like not the real kind of Shopkins and like the fake ones, and just is like eraser. So